everyone, it's Sam, and if you can't tell by the background, I have a new apartment in New York City while I'm attending school. Today I'm really excited to be filming a video. It's a new makeup haul. There's a lot of shopping to do in New York City, so I've gotten a lot of new makeup. I'm really excited to show you guys some recommendations and what I like to carry around. The first few products that I got was this face powder, and I needed a new face powder foundation to set my liquid foundation. And this is a really nice powder, and it's by Moly. And the only disadvantage is there's only 2 shades, and this is a little too bright, but it's just supposed to go invisible. Here is the color. It comes with a little powder puff. I use it once in a while. It's very light coverage and really natural. The second product that I bought is a Sephora eyeshadow palette, and this is really great for daytime to nighttime looks. And I really love a good smoky eye, so at night I'll just use this when I'm going out, and during the daytime I like to use neutral natural base shades, so these are perfect for me. I love this palette, and it's really great to travel with. The next 2 products that I got were the Kylie lip kits. This is part of the 21st birthday collection. I really like the packaging. It's all sparkly. This one's in the color Tipsy, and this is part of regular collection, Say No More. I really like the packaging inside. It says #21. It's just a really nice dark maroon color. And here is a swatch. Super pretty. Here is the pencil. Next product I got was Say No More, and this is a hot pink color. That's the lip liner. This is the liquid lipstick, and this is regular packaging, and this is the pink one. Very hot pink, really vibrant. I really like it. Really pretty. The next few products that I got were a fan brush. This is a highlighting brush, so I can put this here and it'll look really natural. It's by Nickac. The next product that I got was a Kiss eyeshadow. Let me open it and give you guys a swatch. This is what it looks like with no plastic. It's a really nice sleek collection. It's by Kiss New York Professionals, and it is in the color Suit. This is just a really nice matte black eyeshadow. I'll give you guys a swatch, but it's like super black. It's like so dark, and here you go. You can build it up. And if you guys want like a tutorial, speaking of which, I've been obsessed with this one palette lately. It's by Kiko. I've used it a bit. This is in the color Bright Quartet. It's in the color 04. And I am obsessed with these colors. I've used this a bit, like for the daily routine. I used it for my eyeshadow today. It covers the whole smoky eye. This is like the 4 colors that you need, and if you guys want a tutorial, feel free to comment down below and I'll make sure to do it. Next product I got was just an eyeshadow smudger. I needed it to smudge my eye, black eyeliner, so it's really helpful. I also got another black eyeliner, and it's a lip and eyeliner. It comes with its own sharpener, and it's like a super long XXL eyeliner, so it'll come in handy. This is the lip color. It's Nick. It's just this really nice, like 2008 glimmery pink, light pink, glossy lip pencil, which is cool. I got a Scandal cushion lipstick. It's a nude color, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. There we go. I'll swatch right here. It's just a really nice natural nude lip color for an everyday look. The last product I got was a Click glossy color, and the worst thing about this, I love the color for it, but the worst thing about it is it's a Click lipstick. So you basically click it, and if you click too much, you can't press it down, which is kind of annoying. So you have to be like really generous with like how much product you use. So I'm just gonna give you enough for the swatch. This is also pretty similar, just a little bit more pink. And it's really smooth and creamy, which is really nice. That's basically all the products I got today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want any smoky eye tutorials or anything with those products, let me know. I'd be more than happy to make a tutorial. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, love you.